Hey guys, how's it going? My name's Matt, and lately I've been helping a lot of people with their Shopify stores, and one of the biggest questions I get is how to set up shipping. So I was just gonna make a really quick video and show you guys, walk you through exactly how to set up shipping for a dropshipping Shopify store. If we go into your Shopify dashboard, this is the first thing you'll see when you set up a new Shopify account. So this is just a temporary account that I made. Test store. But if you go down here to settings, shipping, this is going to be your default shipping, how your default shipping looks. This is where we're going to edit everything. So the shipping rates at checkout. When people are checking out on your store, these are the shipping options that are going to be available for them to select when they're checking out, when they, through the checkout process. So these are the defaults. What I would do is I'd delete these two. This is kind of set up for people who are shipping their own products, but if you're creating their own and shipping it, packaging it, and sending it out. But if you're drop shipping, you're gonna wanna delete these. So you just hit edit and go into delete zone. Okay, and then we'll go ahead and delete this zone as well. All right, so let's create some shipping zones. So we're gonna hit add shipping zone. And we'll first start with the United States. Okay, so this is just a name. Your customers won't see this. This is just how you're gonna organize things. So then we'll go ahead and add countries that we want this to apply to. So I'm gonna do the United States. All right, and what I like to do, you don't have to do this, but I'll go in here and I'll edit this, and I will actually change some of these things. Like I'll get rid of Guam, and let's see, Northern Marina Islands, that one, and that one. And the reason I do this is because when you're shipping to the United States, there will be, and Virgin Islands, let's get rid of that. Okay, when you're shipping from the United States, it gives you an estimate of like 10 to 20 business days is how long it's gonna take you to ship, or 5 to 7 days. But that's really only for the continental United States, so that's why I go ahead and uncheck those, because when you put your shipping rates in and have it say 5 to 7 days, it's not gonna apply to those places. So instead, I just don't even ship to those places. You can make a new shipping zone to ship to those places and have like a separate shipping time. But anyway, right now we're just gonna subtract that. Price-based shipping, so let me kind of explain these. So this is a calculated rate. This is one that's basically gonna calculate the shipping rate based on where they live from where you live. So it's gonna automatically calculate how much it's gonna cost. Weight-based shipping means you can charge different shipping rates based on your item's weight. Say if it's 1 pound, you can make any items over 1 pound $5.99, and anything below 1 pound $3.99 or something. That's a weight based. Price based is based on the price of your cart, and this is actually what we're gonna do for drop shipping, because how we're gonna set this up is, here, let's go to add rate. We're gonna go ahead and make your products have free shipping over $75. So if their cart adds up to more than $75, they'll get free shipping. This is something your customer will see at checkout. So I try and make this sort of enticing. You want them to select it. So I'll do like free standard shipping for orders over $75. Okay, and then we'll put US. Okay. Maybe we'll change this to something like that. Okay, all right, so we'll name it something like that. So this is the minimum order price that the cart needs to be. So we're gonna go ahead and do $75 because it needs to be at least $75 in order for this shipping rate to show up for them to select. So that's what this does. So you can set whatever price in here you want if you want free shipping over $100 or $75, or you can put a range, like there's free shipping for anything between $75 and $100. You could do whatever you want. But we're gonna do no limit, $75, and this is a free shipping rate. So we're gonna click free shipping rate, and then you're done. So that's gonna be one option that they have to select for shipping. But since we have no rate for products under $75, basically it just won't even let them check out. So we need to create a rate for products or carts below $75. So we'll go ahead and add another rate. Depending on what you're doing, like I'll put expedited shipping, US only, 5 to 7 days or something, if I know the shipping times of my products. But we're just gonna do like standard shipping, US only. Usually what I like to do is put the shipping times on here. So if you're drop shipping, it's kind of hard because a lot of your products will have different shipping times. But it is best practice to put the amount of shipping time or how long it'll take for the product to ship on here. So standard shipping, so I'm just gonna say, like, if we're drop shipping, this is pretty typical, 10 to 20 business days. And you want them, I notice a lot of people make this mistake and they don't put how long it's gonna take for the product to ship, and that will turn customers away right away. They bury it inside their shipping settings or something. It has to be clear. So you either should put it on here and then select this rate. So any products, here we'll go. So this is gonna be any products under $75 is gonna be this shipping rate. And we'll do like a $7.95. It's a good rate. But yeah, they need to see how long it's gonna take it to ship, how long it's gonna take their product to ship to them. So you gotta put it either here, or if it's different for every product, just put it in the description of each product individually. But they have to know the rate, otherwise your conversions are gonna go way down. So let's go ahead and add that. So just to be clear, how this works is, let's just go over what we're looking at here. So this is anybody who's checking out within the United States, this area, these areas, will have these two shipping options available for them. So if their cart is under $75, it will only show this one, and their only option is to select the $7.95 shipping rate. If their cart is over $75, it'll only give them this option. We could actually change this though, and this is probably what I'd do. So this is 0 and up, so that way they'll have both these options to select from. So if it's like a $90 order, this one, because the range, it qualifies, and this one, it will also qualify. So it will show them both shipping rates. I'm gonna go ahead and go back and have the time for this. 10 to 20 business days. Okay. Free standard shipping. Okay. Yeah, that looks good. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and save. So if you wanted to ship to other countries, because right now the only people that are available that will be able to check out on your store is the United States. But if you wanted to ship to other countries, you could just hit add shipping zone up here. Let's see, let's do Europe. Okay, so let's ship to Europe. And maybe we'll just do the United Kingdoms or something. So, all right. So we'll check United Kingdoms. So this shipping zone is only gonna be available for the United Kingdom. So UK. And we'll do a price based, so standard shipping, and this is a good opportunity for you to put different times. So we put 10 to 20 business days on the United States, but maybe your factory, you know, you have to know your shipping times. I'm just giving you an example, but this is how you could set this up. So maybe it only takes 7 to 12 days to ship to the UK from where you are. So you can put a different shipping rate or shipping times in here. Put UK only, but maybe it costs you less to ship to the UK, so you don't have to charge as much. But basically, I'm just kind of showing you how all of this works. You'll have to come up with your own rates, and of course, you'll have to come up with when you want there to be free shipping, or if you want there to be free shipping. You'll have to figure out your shipping times and all that stuff. But I'm just kind of showing you how this works. So let's go ahead and add the free rate as well. That's here. Free standard shipping. And what did we put? 7 to 12 business days. And that's orders over 75 and UK only. It's good to put like keywords in here. You want them to select shipping rates, like free expedited shipping or whatever. If your shipping times are really quick, you could do like free expedited shipping. That is how it's looking. So we have 2 shipping zones. We only ship to the UK and we only ship to the United States. So those are our shipping rates for that. Anyway guys, that's how you set up shipping for your Shopify store. Those are just kind of standard methods of how to set up shipping. Not anything advanced or anything, but a lot of people have been asking me, so I just wanted to go over the process. If I missed something or didn't cover anything, or if you have any questions on anything, please leave a comment below. I will answer it, I promise. That's it guys. I will see you in the next video, and make sure you subscribe for more Shopify tutorials and just business tutorials in general. So thanks a lot. See you in the next video.